Today we will look at how to check in individual rooms of a group reservation. It often happens that a reservation is made for a group or family, but the individual guests arrive at different times. Therefore, there is a function that we can check in these rooms individually. To accomplish this, we call up the Daily Overview and go to the Arrival tab. With a click on the column Header Rooms, each room is displayed per row. Now we can check in by clicking the left mouse button on the desired room in the column Check In. Only when all rooms have been checked in, the entire reservation is considered to be checked in and will be displayed as such when we recombine the list by clicking in the column Header Rooms.